Hey guys, David Patrick Green, hackhollywood.com, hackbollywood.in. I don't know if you guys can tell from this angle what I'm looking at because it's a little funky for the software, but this is a life preserver, okay? And why do life preservers exist? Well, life preservers, that's better. Life preservers exist for people who don't know how to swim, right? For the most part. So what's better than a life preserver? Learning how to swim. And what I'm getting to is that means you're doing something for yourself. You're learning a skill, right? Like you'd learn how to act. Well, what's even better than doing something for yourself? And this is funny. This is weird. It takes advantage of the power of leverage. But if you learn something and then you do it for somebody else, it's even way better for you, okay? Because this is probably the most important principle of success that you ever will learn or ever will need to learn. And that's if you want to become successful, just help others become successful. It's guaranteed. And the more you help them become successful, the more they will help you become successful. It's not even about people being nice and reciprocating. It's that they will do what's in their own best interest. So if you are helping somebody, which is in their best interest, they will want to keep you around, and the more you can help them, and at the higher the level at which you can help them, the more they will want to help you out, because they will want to keep you around, and they will do whatever it takes to keep you around. And more often than not, the way to keep somebody around is to make them successful. And not to mention, whatever that person you're helping out knows and can do will rub off on you, right? You'll learn all their habits and their traits just by being around them, and you will start to learn how to behave. You will learn how they became successful and how you can possibly emulate their success. Okay, guys? So just remember, if you want to become successful, you can do something for yourself. You can learn to swim so they don't have to throw you a life preserver. Or you can learn to do something for yourself that you can then use to help others. And by helping others, they will help you, okay? By helping someone else become successful, they will help you become successful. So that's all you really have to remember, is help other people become successful. It doesn't matter at what level. Start at the lowest possible level and try and keep helping them more and more, and they will keep you around and help you back more and more and more. That's all I got. Am I crazy? Am I wrong? Did it make sense? Do you want examples? Give me an example of a time this might have worked for you in your life, or a time you heard it worked for somebody else. And let's have a discussion about this. I will talk to you soon.